Now, we will discuss about confined space entry. The confined space entry procedure must include the following. Assignment of responsibilities. List of confined space with written hazard assessment. Written safe work procedures for entry into and work in each of the confined spaces with identified monitoring and equipments necessary. Air moving devices, isolation and lockout devices, and personal protective equipment. Signs and placard. Training requirements for employees. Rescue plan. There are some responsibilities that an entry supervisor or an attendant should take care during non-entry rescue. Ensure the mechanical retrieval system is set up properly and ready to use when needed. Ensure the entrant, their harness, and retrieval line are clear of any obstacles in the space before starting retrieval. Maintain constant communication with entrants during rescue. Attendant executes non-entry rescue. Get help in performing the rescue as needed. Stop retrieval if it may cause further injury to the entrant. Make calls for rescue services or emergency services as needed. Gas detecting instruments measure hazardous gas concentrations in the air to ensure safety by providing alerts. Here, we have some instruments which are used to detect gas in confined space. Personal monitor. When a worker wears a monitor, it is referred as personal monitoring. This provides information about the concentration of hazardous substances around the worker, especially useful when moving within confined spaces. Area monitor. An area monitor gas detector is a portable device that continuously detects hazardous gas concentrations in specific zones, ensuring safety in confined spaces or industrial sites. Single and multi-gas monitor. Single gas detectors measure only one gas, whereas multi-gas monitors are available with several toxic sensor options and have the flexibility of measuring many gases at the same time. Defined sensors. A device specifically designed to detect and measure hazardous gas concentrations within confined environments, ensuring safety by providing real-time alerts to potential dangers. Interchangeable sensors. Interchangeable sensors are modular sensor units that can be swapped within a gas detector to detect different types of hazardous gases, enhancing the device's versatility and application range. To ensure employee safety in confined spaces, atmospheric monitoring before and during entry is mandatory. Conduct air analysis inside the confined space before entry to determine if a permit is required and identify necessary respiratory protection. A trained attendant must test the air using at least a 4-gas monitor before entry. Entrants must carry a monitor into the confined space. Test for additional specific gases if there is a potential for their presence. Arrange special testing with environmental health and safety in advance. Continuously monitor the atmosphere with portable monitors that can sound an alarm in the presence of hazardous conditions once workers enter the space.